Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the file and locating the linked word you want removed. Click to select the hyperlinked word or place the caret inside it so the link tools appear. If the document is protected, unlock editing or use a copy you can edit, otherwise changes won't stick. Once selected, look for a right-click menu, link toolbar, or editor ribbon. These provide immediate remove options. Make sure auto-formatting won't recreate the link after removal. Now remove the hyperlink without losing the word. Right-click and choose Remove Hyperlink, or in the ribbon choose Link's right arrow Remove Link. Some apps show clear formatting which also drops the link. If you need to preserve the text, select Remove Link rather than deleting the word. In HTML or code, delete the href equals. Wrapper but keep the inner text. In rich editors, use the Unlink button. Once done, verify the text is plain and not blue or underlined. Finish by saving and reopening the document to confirm the hyperlink is gone. If the link persists, select the text and paste it as plain text into a new location or clear local formatting to strip hidden link data. Also inspect styles, templates, or autocorrect settings that might auto-link URLs. Disable automatic linking if necessary. If working with code, search for other identical link tags. One troubleshooting tip: copy the text, remove formatting, then reapply design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.